sure hope this audio comes out decent because I recorded my first videos with this mic, and maybe I need to have it up a little closer. I was told that the quality of the sound wasn't so good, but this was a new, what do you call it, lavalier mic, something like that. But anyway, hello. I got a little inspired tonight. I saw a video. I can't think of his name right now, but it might have been Lamar or LA, something like that. He was just saying, get on YouTube and just talk about what you're going through, what you're dealing with. And that's what I'm doing. So thank you for the inspiration, LA or Lamar. For myself, as you see, I have this mic. I hope that the audio is going to come out good. And my hair is somewhat of a mess, but I'm just keeping it real and being my authentic self. No makeup or anything like that, which honestly, I've never really been one big on wearing makeup. But as I've gotten older, I need it a little more now. But yeah, I'm going all raw tonight, okay? So now I have an older, which I'm recording with right now, is an older iPhone, an iPhone XR. But I now have the iPhone 16 Pro, which I really haven't used yet, not for recording. But I did buy a new mic, one that goes with the USB-C that you just plug right in. So I do have that. So I have the things that I need. I just haven't transferred over to this yet. I'm still using my 10XR, iPhone 10XR with this mic, and I pray that the audio is going to be better this time. Yeah, so, I've been watching quite a few YouTube videos, so much great content out there on what to do, how to get started. It's been a lot. It's been wonderful. Thank you, each and every one of you. Like, I think it's Robert Blake, vidIQ, Think Tank, quite a few from other countries. I can't think of your names. They're talking about, doing the restream, the silent streaming. It's been lots, so I can't think of your names off the top of my head. I know Dodash, the guy who said just keep posting. You all have been such amazing inspiration to us young, small upstarts. So again, shout outs to each and every one of you. Robert Benjamin, I think that's his name also. Anyway, you all are incredible. Thank you so very much. But yeah, so for myself, I uploaded my very first videos this past Saturday. Wait a minute. Yeah, this past Saturday. And a little disappointed because I really haven't gotten any views yet. So I'm hoping it's just that YouTube just hasn't found my audience just to push it out. Because my new channel is on trauma, healing trauma, how to deal with grief, and some of the unfortunate evil things people do to family, specifically when they're sick and dying. Yeah, I'm just talking about life situations. And so I followed some of the YouTubers who were saying you should launch with 5 videos. So I did that. So I had such high hopes. And it's kind of like been crickets so far. But I've been doing research over the weekend. I'm going to sign up with vidIQ because I'm thinking it's my tags. I'm thinking it's my tags, my keywords. There's a lot that I'm seeing that I didn't do or that I did do that I did wrong. I had some tags in there, in the tag section that was not relevant at all. Had nothing to really do with my subject. my title, my videos. So I went back in and I was deleting those. So yeah. What else would I want? I got this little cheat sheet over here of the things that I want to talk about. Okay, so I have the new mic for my iPhone 16 Pro. Yeah, so I've been, checking YouTube like a crazy woman to see, how many new views do I have, any new subs, any likes, etc., etc., etc. And nothing really significant thus far, but I'm thankful for those who have found me, and who have said things like, they thought they were the only ones who were going through the depression, etc., etc., etc. So, but I also have a music channel, so I've been incorporating into my music channel, which I've had for many years. I've been doing some lives over the last couple of days because some of the videos that I saw, it said, go live. That can help you with your watch hours and subscribers. So I did that because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to start, even do anything with my music channel anymore. But I love music, so I was just like, go back over there. So I've been posting some on my music channel as well, doing lives the last couple of days, just having fun, posting holiday songs. And also I do graphics, and so I think in my head, my thumbnails are pretty clever, pretty interesting, and draw people in. But I think I might have been doing too much with the text because I'm a designer, so I wanted to be all fancy and stuff. But I think all you need is simplicity. So I've been going back trying to change those as well. What else? Yes, so they say YouTube is on easy mode. So 40, 50, 60, 70 and up. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this, y'all. Let's come together and do the dang thing for 2025. So, yes, you don't need an expensive camera, phone, okay? Pretty much whatever you have will work. Just get in front of it. Hit record. Hit record. You already know. Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. I don't even know why I'm even doing this right now. Y'all know, hit video, hit record. That right there. And then go to YouTube. Wait a minute. Can y'all see it there? YouTube. And hit that plus button and upload from there. And here's my question. Do you all put it in private, or you put it in unlisted before you actually make it go public? That's a question right there. And also, for those of you who've been doing this, who are way more knowledgeable than I am with regard to the channel. So I'm back on my music channel, and I want to know, because the 1,000 subscribers, do I need to start a new channel, or I can go ahead and stay on my channel that I have now? It's just that I have to get 1,000 subscribers. Right now I have like 160. So I'm thinking that they're not going to count because I've had like 160 for about the last 6 to 8 months. So I'm basically going to have to start from scratch with number 1 new subscriber to going to 1,000. Is that correct? Or will some of my numbers count that's on my music channel up until, I guess, what is it, a year now? I know they dropped the number down for subscribers to 500, and I think 3,000 watch hours, but that's not full monetization. That's something else. So anybody out there, if you have the answer to that, and I know you brainiacs out there know the answers, I greatly appreciate it if you let me know. So, okay. Wait a minute, how many minutes are you? Oh my goodness, I've been talking for 10 minutes. How do you all do your hashtags? Are you doing your hashtags in your titles, your hashtags in your descriptions? Are you all with vidIQ? Do you do your own thumbnails? What source do you use for your thumbnails? Is it Canva? What are you using? My channel if you'd like to go check it out, is you know what? No, I'm gonna post this on my new channel. So I was thinking that this was going on my music channel, but no, this is gonna go on my new channel. So happy blessed new year to each and every one of you, and let's blow this thing up on YouTube, y'all. Blessings. I thank you all so very much for your time.